Okay, so fall is upon us, and it might not necessarily mean that you can have green pots full of annuals, but it certainly does not mean you have to put it all away and bring out the winter coats, because I believe that it's really important that you keep that whole vibe going just according to the seasons.
It's changing your palette multiple times throughout the season. It gives you a little peace of mind to watch things not get stale, to keep the color as vibrant as possible. I mean, as the seasons change, in the summertime you have all the bright colors, that purples and blues and whites and greens, and in fall it transitions to the oranges, the reds, the burgundies, and the yellows, and these things, once you change them, they bring a different feeling, a different vibe to your home. So you want to keep those things changing. You want to keep them ever changing to show new and interesting things that you find. Stems really work very well within pots. Flowering kale brings that interesting tone to a container or to the front entryway.
There's things like asters and mums that you can use, and it's all about the flow of these things, how you can transition from one to the other without making a big deal. It doesn't mean you have to like rip out everything you have. It's an add to, and most importantly, it's about a feeling, because you want to keep that nice warm feeling no matter what's going on outside or around you. You want to be able to come in and out of your home and feel like, wow, this has that naturey feeling, and I like that naturey feeling.
Now, if you don't want to switch out your pots and you say your pots are gorgeous at this time of year and it's not going to get cold and you want to save all that, you don't have to necessarily pull your annuals from your containers. You can do straw bales with corn stalks, with a display of a select few mums here and there with kale and pumpkins
And gourds.
All these materials are going to lend themselves to the seasonal changes, and that keeps you from being stale and keeps you excited to come home and see what's new and how things change throughout the season.